ni nyina am de ba beto yanim ye nyina ya to abese no ya na na da form no enu nti no ye mfa ma ma ye yi na ye be social media fo no so a mo ya asantefo chen ye akra no
na se we de o kan obi abeti ase emu da ho
social media fo na mo ya asantefo chen ye na ya asantefo
na we na just three you paragraph statement
yes
until 777
by ambassador na dey fa pentai wouldn't the channel.
Where's that? Emu da ho. Eyi ebebu obi eni.
Where we see abroad for you.
Ebebu obi eni.
Unya obi no wa church.
Unya obi no wa church. Where the way no? Ambiguous. No ambiguity.
Expressing way.
Where the kese bi eni. Ah, we share na say so that.
Tete penny for the bro for no. Ochro to a koraketo akan ya wotia. Enye dey yo.
Penny music kan.
Euphemism name.
Figure of
speech there the amraina. Who can book na asa the King James da.
Book ba say beautiful ones are not yet born. Some book can go na who the person chiro.
O wetima kan si.
Na e say no. What is communication?
I say things fall apart. Chinua Achebe. Ebu da.
Oh, things fall apart there.
Bro, for no we use the simple.
And about is animal farm.
Animal farm.
I George well. Oh. Awe nyina nti we yes. E go tra baby. O mpe we ya fa.
We as amafa said he share do ni adan.
I do the do ni adan. Say na o chida dey tu asada na e go tu dey bi asada. Obi a small say.
So obeti dia from.
Ya do ade. Ya we.
Me dey me say na
Wednesday.
E dey abusia ma yesremo. Say mo hunso ya.
Mama ka. Ela me say.
Asante we rase. Yeah
na
o say ko ma so dey bosia na dey. Yeah. Omo ko bosia bodo.
Amfa.
Omo
e to baby dey aso. But e ba wo dey baby fashion.
Any bi be ka ho a e be fo ano.
Baby fashion.
But then
fan performance.
The mission and animal pa. Adro man ho no.
Because Yahweh people were worried.
Amanfo eye she says.
Weekend. 1 week. Sunday mo be
a lot of people who were like each. Then the other day, radio ye inform me.
Yes.
The information that is from Nana Ifa Pente. Yeah, Bopata.
Yes.
Bopata and they say, as Antimatras, you know, Otumfua we say, Guno say, one country, the Masse, the Nanam say. Wow, where ye are with my yen. If you never copy Mukwada, you may. Yeah. Name of Yawa down or party. Yena, na ya to abese no nti ya kujam na kredu ya do we ya dia asante man twene ba ho e me da wa ye bi kwa pa nya excuse
no
bu wa si wa ye em fa ma ye excuse say I say what the SC. It's me yama.
Na baby cry as ban on drum and ban hwan na no my idea do we.
Na no my idea.
E kwa affect weddings parties now.
E come here.
So then why kunkrum dey wo.
So what did say any other say by anko bi wa ni account you.
Na no my yami.
Obi outdoor ni ndema bebre ni asori dwumade bebre. Account you. Na no ma twene ye ho pa. Ye na no mo ye modern. And omo dwene ye o ya setene mu because Saturday obu a ye we see ka se suspend e
ka beba abikwa bi ebufa na amanone wo free ha obey ni ma
o ye ni bi ya Tuesday o so wo back nya sa le juma bebo no wo be kra na ni na bebrina onini o sen achi enti no ade o ma ye ne there at least ya wa down there ya she it is a 1 year next week
ubetimi
twan mi ye ya wa
there
and she say be ba na
be chire ba me sure say enkoye menka ne say preko pesa e bi o betime yi be enna kakra busumi mi
ya na refia na
esi wo so ya emfanye
ye papa no toyi o ka say me papa to say amre na afie ko bi so eda form asante me grandma kwan say at from after 1 week from Abia I think in April, boy.
Yes.
A month,
Tuesday.
1 month, one solid month. Say, wow, where ye, wow, frusie. Say, why ye ni watch that see ufnu. eti e makwa mamamfo siesie omufuru no ma atwan ma ye dotiye ne ye no ano
na ama 209 so na so nya 10 years on the throne me 209 sat na mama so free mu April no and the my opportunity say 1 month bi de me mfanye nti ma see the end of April
yes so the be ya enko yes God dwene oh minim say o ma yes say ya mo dwene e ye ho pa no ye do ma se pa enti ma sa mfa bibia nkobo adum ni adai say yes say enti ye tu ye na watwa aseda wa no watu aseda no would to me multimedia National Communication Authority so are suspending operations of 9 radio stations including 3 Wontumi multimedia stations. Remedy I the buy a 30-day amnesty period and I still a woman to me and so and into the good TV so I'm you know almost eka home Wontumi dear me and some boom and a boom as you see I know near my did to aquam so moon channel no after 3 months or so on 1 year almost 95.9 and crying 101.3 omadum no 101.3 takrade and also omadum no NCA force you want to be adwuma suspended
omadum statement in be by you
would be multimedia for so the responsible into Facto TV so we panin fianko or na see our NCA boss. No, say we write in response to your letter reference NCA 12th day of August. Any other way, Enra. Regarding the suspension of our broadcasting, we would like to clarify that we have fully complied with all the conditions set forth in your earlier correspondence dated 12th day of June. On receipt of your letter, we took significant steps to address the concerns outlined in your letter. Specifically, we carried out the following. We have applied for the necessary authorization to operate a studio to transmitter link STL from NCA. We did this through formal writing and submitted it to your outfit on 30th June. We obtained a fire certificate from the Ghana National Fire Service. We secured a requirement permit for the environmental protection for the setting of the mast. We settled the outstanding regulatory and spectrum fees amounting to 22,330. We invited the NCA for another inspection, and which we facilitated as per the stipulated timeline. Given that all the issues highlighted in your previous letters have been addressed, we are currently working with our legal representative to ensure that all matters related to our operations are handled appropriately. We respectfully request that you review our compliance status and reconsider the suspension of our broadcasting. One more say, you have Yankwe. And near my occasion, it is so. That house here in Chomra near my official, you know. Radio mo, it do maybe a who apply qua, it me ma quine say, yeah, Juma, a bright day. It is a omo mope scholarship secretariat approval. Any school
admission,
Omoma approval for accreditation for schools be to do certain courses. Omo apply qua, your ma omo a certain time so omo fanye no more be inspection and who say. Sa models no ni ada we to 2 years but I know you to school no. That what I say. The operation of the school cost so. It you do maybe na say I don't know ankwala no bitimi ko register. No ma ko tro ho so he na accreditation board abeka say one man qualify standards here to enti atwam. Na afi ankwala no ti ye omo ya no. But when it comes to radio there for that free spirit and the spirit of camaraderie, you know, we allow certain space. Then yes say oh gage radio station or with your political strength. It's your best sense. They want to media be two way. So almost some fall letter. But anyway best ma that flexibility bra. And then they want to me ground so it speaks of politics. One way not and dear ma ekoye say or yet party no are your position independent. Na
Abia
Ade Akye Abia mama so very setting. The idea radio gold brebi nom ne ate no anye nipa de wo Ghana. It is a koba say want to me say niemu ka se wonye wa ye dia. Because mama 30 days amnesty.
Do atwam die.
Atwam. but was saying you no stipulated time in line now. What this super pepe or the krataba or on krata or did ya dance here there.
And you know, Abia, if there's maybe a communication issue, be a Kutahudi, near Manu, Ubi Nakotra, near Manamano, Soma, and see him penny for Nankasano, and yet away. Now we just say no crash answer more about in Ketia. Namekwana, I never want to miss I and Ramaniji, and he says, and Sunday. Omo manager, almost a branch so 7 in Sembio during the plane crash. The station has taken firm decision about it. My branch almost on my channel. What yes, and for me, if they are doing some of these things, it's just the good things can be done.
For the money, because answer the weekend.
I say, Jamaican
to me station. So if I plane crash, no one day President John Dramani Mahama, a big movie, no, and a beer. Aqua Mante be say a channel, everyone say. Only a friend of Achinkwa and Kufiasa.
Oh, no, my channel.
Every boy back
was picked up on his way to a Jusso.
Boy back to come.
Oh, one day engine.
Boy,
also Fanti comedy.
Yacho,
no more.
But to me, boy, and was also picked up by National Security.
Fanti comedy now.
Fanti comedy.
And I want
to me, Aquala Branch and so the uncle. I'm told no, or quite Jusso. And I said, so Tia Jusso say, and I'll be National Security for Coco picking here. But not management, not the candy. Statements about condemning, not the
in addition to dismissal,
dismissing
from a
and I fancy comedy no match
comedy the end so
now Obano can one so can be ana Obano say wine cause your love no so dey na cause your love dey o ma penache
I don't why there no the social media na motivo
I was your love
what is say
Sir, what's what be you are?
Sir,
how are we feeling?
Oh, I didn't.
We him say, we they should ten
messages.
We start them away. I tell you dear. And this say, but if I say, what you mean criminalizing? It becomes a civil issue. It's now money a macacra with you. It's you, we are, we are still Munyao. Now 10 years, you probably do a crew, I see a 2 Munyana and Kayena baby. And when the issues are sensitive like that, they should learn how to address it. Oh, one way, yeah, over no position, now you'll be more Catholic than the Pope. You cry more than the baby. Fancy comedy near Akosia. Akosia Jolofi. Ya utie na yi ba ko
okuma bete
on the bow
attack I said don't tell me
I would have boys and the girls they be no ya hey your den boy me timi am now hey dem we dey am
we am to me show and the boy me tell say me timi tie bi wo
hey dem we dey
some unsavory words any comments are be check out
if you know ya do
to say branch ya
Supreme
Court to force one deal will be at me.
One man, you know.
Say, who's soon yet? 5 minutes square now.
Say, and count dying, and count dying, and count dying. So say, we'll travel, we'll travel.
I can 12 years so, yeah. Chini Jonas Jr.
Sir,
small boy be.
The senior Nankasa than Junior.
No, be young dons.
Don't
the door. Say, I got 20 days, crowd on Pacho was a. Nyame de nsa kan so me na dwuma is you started for
and akwa ba ko so Germany kokko bi
ai am ve bi king omu nyina omu gum
na mofo na nkasa de momo hayen uzi omu ntebro omu ntitwi and this answer na ekoso no they don't see how sensitive it is
Trump obi de brofo ne TikTok na so di that time so omu ntibi ndum
no because the way
na chenchen Trump so dum TikTok na ga say denti
and that time no odi on
na ya tini na ba no so bebe no omu se de ndi omu nka ne twi omu kan brofo ma ne te
X kokra de na say see akra X for no
Elon Musk
X what did that time like baby freedom of expression but you shouldn't go to that far. Our very John Mama is announcing the establishment of an education fund to support the children left behind by victims of the August 6th military helicopter crash. Or see you Jessica.
All of them were key champions.
And Mofrana, Eja Omokono.
What we have to do is to work even harder in their memories, because all of them were key champions of the reset agenda that we are pursuing as a government. So the reset agenda must be successful in their memory, so that their deaths would not have been in vain. It's a difficult calamity, because if you look at all those who died, they were at the prime of their lives and had so much responsibility. Children still in school, and some even with infants as young as 2 months. The pilot's child he has a child 2 months old. And these responsibilities are what we have to take up.
Omanhene Yaw, Yere say dun ketia national chairman say nothing escapes the sight of Allah. The into the man kasa. Yenti no.
The days go by, but God has formed us in such a way that as the days go by, the pain lessen. So I want to urge everybody to gather courage. Since this tragic event, we have heard a lot of people talking about how they prophesied it was going to happen. But I believe, as a Christian, and I believe that it is so with the Muslims, that nothing happens on the blind side of Allah.
That's right, nothing happens. Right, a chapa to bomb. Or say, or there be our MPP since the inception of MPP. The Ose was sponsor MPP at or no. Over Metasu. Right, champo.
Timua, what you be here, do maybe no more, you know. Maybe I'm in you. The Unipa 500, maybe I am day and day, but a bayer me day, bayer me one say, Obi away a party more. What you see, can't say me. Obi any more a party more. There's not a single person away on one person to Musika. And the Abua MPP, MPP. May can't get down Quanum, may can't get down Quanum Buzianum a year, the MPP. If it be time value of money, so says the Caron to Horna, Fibia, and see who be see and now says the Canay saying, Omun Tusika may you a party. Nobody. 2016, I'm standing a bad day. The Kufa do bad day 2017. Okay, or see, Obi anyone who is the Cadebois on only campaign, and now MPP de bar power, a same Brian Champo. Obi anyone. Now, yes, that's the canon at the Abua party, the same person take Obi Pabakudi. One, in 2020, the day our BEM and to be here, Messica. But in 2024, the regional chairman, our regional secretary, aha, good. Which almost Eastern region. Sika, we give support to Eastern region every month, except for about 6 MPs. 6, because some of them are not only apart from that 6 MPs, PCC, out of 33, every month, that may be 100,000 Ghana cedis.
Say if any BA, Brian Champo. Or say, Walker, Yaw, Beman since you man, San Wahamo. also wo penipa ba ko wa MPP ma o say what you sika pa de abo party ni cha wono omo we womo mre
memma
wo BNP we James
oh
as of
the friend waka enti no omo abo party ni mu ko omo so bo omo ho
what the ejira
ababa be you na no
omo receipt ni
omo for baba because me
yo ye I just say am for the receipt ba wo
my media no kwani say papa
omo party ni na for receipt mra
aya it say watete say bi mu ye de say atay da
no mo di prakwe anyway na nyu pa ben na bio no we dia ki chere say yura
dia me party dey bi amu me di Brian Champion me se kokko ma monte
makama no to mu di
me ba be preadwa na dia ma party ni the official dia menye ye no na na don kwaku fa 2016 o we ni o so obi ani wo party ni mu a o tua sika de boa na e win no chen Brian Champion
this true
wato na num tuo na na kan enso sa branche na pa ye dede enti na o se wa office wa ko pesika be boa party ni chen no be yi wa no wa
nti ya boka fo ni nya omo
wa na boka no
ya boka
me ni kwaku Brian ya dwene bro so 1000%. I go don say akonya tofie na say wo kwa ko pribi kra ye na ebusa say
na de no wa ye
ede abati eye kra ba fia wo ba ye busa say nyina ene sa ne ma ne nti na e bia watete sa manfo busa say kwaku Brian wo ba da bay
kra no de no dia bo party no
ede no ya ma party nti ofi say
yes remain silent for a very long time according to what is trying to say
sa ne ma wa nyina ma ya ma party no ba me mo so nkire obi ada enne me mama mo hu say menya
party ni tia na so nyina no boko elections flag ni him ni sika ye de kona awmia edam haba
ehim Brian botom
ni botom
na kota on crowd o charity most of the parliamentary candidates or more Ashanti region or sponsor o
pa o meka so oboa
I'm telling you that to near dia na instead of some be corners na no
and every 2024 no campaign no ye say
constituency
say party no had that case wo no say scary na no yo say the break in crack papa you see region was so try 1 billion every month
yes and the match
MPP performance in this region was so low. It's just come here there. No, NDC Bayanani, ya correct vote
constituency.
No, me kese maximization wise. Say na Bayanani 52, 54 as na
of constituency secretary no.
In terms of the general
so popular vote in NDC
okay. But constituency there almost GC.
Oh, me eno dan cheya. National, me say party be a call elections ah. Yeah. Omo keska. Enti Ashanti region say Brian Champion free say region ma enkai 10 na 7 no class o mulusu enke belusu bi aka wana and the party enti na yana something bi ka say
enkotabuo ne nkoye
yawo
omutu
say price ka wenya o my enkeska o mutwa to o
malusu nemo enkotabuo se constituency secretary sini wa hwan e ma aka
o concentrate party mano
akota sika ndi o madi na uni say osa sponsor ya sponsor aspirant ni bi
oh yes
swami constituency minimum class manso adubia o sponsor ministers any deputy
oh na say na ye deputy Mr. Fagrick
mo bebre wo hono man ko enye Brian Champion ko ma
ko mu lusu o mu seat
oh abrante ade de nyame anim ni
o sponsor
ade awaya ma party no
aspirant
the party no so o mu hweso de a
and there will be no contest.
There will be contest, but contest no gem.
And let me make us
the whole of Eastern region now. Minim Eastern region. But omiane Kennedy were Jumai or Papa. Me now. The whole of Eastern region. Minim constituency or better better.
So now his handwriting is virtually in every constituency. Per what he's saying.
Ya to abewie. Ewo Eastern region.
Abetifi Eloma
na papa Abetifi dey Elon Musk any Bill Gates
na is by wale dey Adam enya don so ba prescribe ni money
Adam wale
why
Walmart and
Walmart
Abetifi Elon Musk
I give you Max no so dey not a jayo.
I be doing that Max.
Why woman?
And then they be slow.
And he said, me say
Asante. Yeah, election so. Na omo to abani wie na constituency yi bia na papa yi na no matra nkonya wo ho no ne ahemafo. Abo abani. E bo modern call friend say Rock City. That me say yaw. Yes, you call Rock City one.
Na mo fomo nu ko ha de.
We had a wonderful weekend. Yeah, me boy. Yes.
Eh, ya na man ko bi.
I'm saying na ye bi ofie.
Na dem patcho me dem me ben fo di me bi ya ru. Me ko ba bia o de mate mitie man bon ye me de.
O ti mitie man bon.
Papa ba ko ba ha o say papa yi. O yi 6 billion Ghana cedis. Yeah. 60 billion. So you find na matter konya ase. What is the whole of it?
Any want to be moody agro.
Share.
Sika on the down na no mas you. Me 60.
And Asante somebody ase. Asante me somebody ase.
Mata brand champonti ofi Ashanti region in Chika Cref.
Omra no say
so beba.
Say no.
Ayo ma de 90.
Say ofi almost offense one.
Offense.
Enti no offense omra. You should let this how right be felt.
Only say November or start
this project
no.
Kumasikate
overseas have 400 bed capacity hotel.
Bank of Ghana and court to among for so Teddy do who you I would have phone number Jaya.
Oh, set. Don't say any dia.
Say Nina and India.
Nina dia until they are no mudia now branch up of phone.
Oh, Granny, I got video.
I would have it here.
Granny, I got video.
Oh, Kettle Rest House now belongs to him. It's part of Rock City now.
Sir,
oh, long time.
Fufu yo mo nwa nyina brand champo fufu no mo no
auto more red fish be say
omoduane so de pa
ni nyina
omoduane de pa
catering for no pay tim man fans sana mo asa monte you
omate
mate awsa mo ya action
omo ya de omo ne ma omo ntan
enti ye pejai mu ye ba ye de mo be ko ene de northern region shase omo wie sports a betnase a northern region last weekend me am
ready
5 regions no nsema a wo mo ka no monka na yentimo
Brian
biye ojana so pa